What's going on, guys? Today we are going to install a diff breather kit on my 3rd gen 4Runner. You install these because the OEM diff breather is mounted right up on top of the axle in there, and if you can, you can see my car is all muddy and dirty in there because I've been off-roading. But if you do a water crossing or go through muddy water or anything, your diff breather, which is this piece here, it looks like this, can get clogged, and then your diff can't breathe anymore, and that will blow your axle seals out, or it can let water in through here. So what we're doing today is I have this Toyota part here, which here is the part number if you need that, but this is a little bung that will screw in where the stock diff breather screws in, and then we're going to attach some of this hose here to this, and then we are going to route it up to this diff breather, which will be up out of the way, which what I think I'm going to do is just put it behind this cover right here, which goes up into the gas tank. A lot of people route it all the way into the gas tank, but I don't really see a need to do that. I am never going to be doing a water crossing that is, you know, even that high. So what I'm going to do is crawl under there and get the OEM diff breather unscrewed, and then we will work on getting this piece here screwed in. So you can see right up in there is the new one installed. It was a 14mm to get the OEM one out and a 12mm to put this one in. So what I'm going to do is route it straight up and then over this frame member, and then it will be zip tied to these fuel neck things, and then I'll zip tie it up there in the wheel well. But make sure you have plenty of slack for it to move around when flexing and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hose put on, and then I'll put these hose clamps on it so it stays on there, and then we will route it up out of the way. So I got the hose routed and zip tied up, and then it comes through right here, and then it goes way up inside there where I have it zip tied to the fuel fill neck. And then I'm just going to pop these screws back in there, and then it'll be good to go, and the diff is good to breathe for some water crossings and muddy and getting dirty and all that stuff, and it won't blow out your axle seals. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's a really short and easy one, but something you should definitely do if you off-road your 3rd gen. But that's pretty much it. Please leave a like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Nickjoenap, and I'll see you in the next video.